Have you ever pondered why the Igbo people embark on a mass exodus from the bustling cities to their rural communities during the Christmas season? This annual migration is a deeply ingrained tradition that transcends the simple act of travel. It is a journey into the heart of Igbo culture, a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of kinship, community, and heritage. The Igbo, one of the largest ethnic groups in Nigeria, hold a profound reverence for their ancestral homes, a place where their roots run deep into the rich African soil. During this time, the cities drain and the villages brim with life as the Igbo people return to their ancestral homes to partake in this communal feast. This Christmas travel is more than a mere tradition. It is a heartfelt pilgrimage. It is the Igbo people's way of reconnecting with their roots, of keeping their heritage alive in the hearts of the younger generation. This journey home is also a time of reunion, of merriment and shared stories over communal meals, of laughter echoing under the African sky. It is a time when the Igbo people renew their bonds of kinship, reaffirm their collective identity, and rekindle the spirit of community. In essence, the Christmas travel of the Igbo people is a reflection of their deep-seated values: respect for the land that nurtures them, love for their community, and the unyielding bond of family. It is a testament to their belief in the power of unity, the strength of shared heritage, and the joy of collective celebration. To summarize, the Igbo people's Christmas travel is a significant cultural phenomenon. It embodies the essence of Igbo culture, the respect for ancestral land, the value of community, and the joy of shared celebrations. It is a journey of return, of reconnection, and of renewal. It is a time when the Igbo people come together to celebrate their shared heritage, to reaffirm their collective identity, and to ensure that the flame of their culture continues to burn bright in the hearts of the younger generation. In essence, the Igbo people's Christmas travel is not just a journey home, it is a journey into the heart of what it means to be Igbo. A journey that, year after year, keeps the Igbo culture alive and vibrant, a testament to the enduring strength and resilience of the Igbo people.